the point of writing smart contracts if you cannot interact with them? If your users cannot see them, what's the whole point? Okay, that is where front end comes in. After writing your smart contracts, you need a front end, you need a UI that people can actually go to and interact with. And then your smart contract, of course, becomes useful. So I'm going to be talking a lot. I'm going to be talking about that in this video. We'll be talking about my learning journey this week and all of those good stuff. So let's just jump right into it. Hello! Just in case you are seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Emmanuel, and I am a blockchain developer currently at Web3bridge. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing my learning process and journey so far this week, all the things I learned, all the things I built, and all of those good stuff. So let's just get right into it. So this week we learned about interacting front end with Ethers.js. So what is Ethers.js? Ethers.js is a library that allows you connect your smart contracts with a JavaScript frontend. Now, why should you do that in the first place? We need a front end to be able to have users use the smart contracts, because there's no point writing smart contracts if nobody is going to use it, except your smart contract is just for developers. But no, you know that smart contracts are actually used in real life applications, real life scenarios. So of course you need a front end to be able to have users engage with them, and the front end sends data and gets data like back and forth from your smart contracts stored in the blockchain somewhere. Ethers.js is also important because it allows you connect with nodes on the Ethereum blockchain and the ecosystem. It allows you create providers. It allows you connect with providers rather, and create signers, connect with signers. So when I say providers, in my very first series of videos, when I was giving like a broad introduction to the blockchain, I talked about providers as being a middleman between the blockchain and your smart contract. So things like Infura, things like Alchemy, things like JSON RPC, and of course things like MetaMask, they allow you interact with the blockchain and your smart contracts. That's the simplest way to put it. Okay, so one of the use cases, like we built a project, I found it really interesting. So we built a wallet, a JavaScript wallet with Ethers.js. Now we use vanilla JavaScript, and if you know anything about programming, you know that vanilla JavaScript is not a language for the weak. It's actually really interesting, but it could be a bit tedious. So it was quite interesting because we built it with vanilla JavaScript. We didn't use any framework to build it. And so the main features of the wallet was you were able to connect with the wallet using your MetaMask account, and then you're able to fetch your data like your address and all of those things, and then you're able to see a list of the tokens that are connected to that particular MetaMask account. Now the interesting thing is that before then we created, okay, so in my own case I created about five token contracts, and then I stored them somewhere in a list, just as PancakeSwap and Uniswap could do it. Then in my wallet, I was able to fetch all of those data from those tokens, and then so that particular account can see all the tokens in that particular wallet, and of course you're able to transfer money or transfer crypto from that particular account to any other account of your choice. I don't know if I was able to communicate that clearly, but yeah, basically I built a JavaScript, a vanilla JavaScript wallet with Ethers.js that was able to connect to the blockchain, get a list of all the tokens in it, and send those tokens to other people. So I found it very interesting. This week was really interesting because I have a very solid background in front end, a couple of years experience as a front end engineer. So it was just me applying my front end skills with my blockchain development, smart contracts development skills, and it made a whole lot of sense. I'm looking forward to next week because we are going to be interacting with um, JavaScript for frameworks like React, like Next, like bodies. So I'm really excited. This video is not going to be long because I'm done talking. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.